Hello thread crocheters, today I would like to present you another lacy stitch which is very easy to crochet. There is only one repeating row in the pattern and this stitch will work great for lacy curtains or a table runner or any other crochet project of your choice. I sketched a simple chart for you. So like I said, there's only one repeating row in the pattern, that's row number 2. And then the last row doesn't have these clusters. It's simply chains and single crochets and trebles. And the reason I made this last row this way, so that the top and the bottom somewhat match and have a more of a straight, not completely straight, but a little bit more straight edge than the previous row. The starting chain must be a multiple of 16 plus 7. For the sample that I'm going to make, I started with 55 chains. And now into the 5th chain from the hook, I will work a treble. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here I work a treble. And now I will also work a treble into each one of the next 2 chains. These 4 skipped chains also count as a treble, so now I already have 4 trebles worked. Next 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I skip 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the next one, into the 7th chain, I work a single crochet. Next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into this single crochet that I made right here, I'm going to work 4 trebles finished together, or in other words a cluster. So yarn over twice, I insert the hook, work the first treble, but I don't finish it. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the single crochet, work a treble, but I don't finish it, and then I do it twice more. And now I finish them all together. Then I make 1 chain and I pull it tight to secure the stitches. Next I skip 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the next one I work a treble. This is what I have so far, and now into each one of the next 3 chains I will also work a treble. And here I have 4 trebles. And now the pattern begins to repeat from here. 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I skip 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And into the next one I work a single crochet. Now I work 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the single crochet that I just made, inserting the hook right in the middle of it, I will work 4 trebles finished together, or a cluster. One, 2, 3, and 4. I finish them all together, make one chain and pull it tight to secure. Next I skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the next one I work a treble. And now into each one of the next 3 chains I also work a treble. And now the pattern begins to repeat again from here. So I'm gonna finish the last pattern repeat and then I'll show you the next row. And here I have 3 pattern repeats worked and I ended the row with 4 trebles. I turn my work and I start the next row with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 chains count as the first treble. Now into each one of these 3 trebles I work a treble. 1, 2, and 3. Next 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I skip the next cluster and into this next chain 7 space I work a single crochet. Next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And into this single crochet just made, inserting the hook in the middle of it, I will work a cluster or 4 trebles finished together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I finish them together, make one chain and pull it tight to secure. Next, into each one of these 4 trebles I work a treble. And this is what it looks like. And again the pattern begins to repeat from here. 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I skip the treble cluster and into the next chain 7 I work a single crochet. Now 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into this single crochet just worked I make 4 trebles finished together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I finish them together, make one chain and pull it tight to secure. And now into each one of these 4 trebles I work a treble. 1, 2, 3, then again the pattern repeats from here. Here I finished the last pattern repeat and I have 2 rows finished. I turn my work and the next row is gonna be the same as row number 2. And that's basically how I'm going to continue crocheting, just repeating row number 2. Here I crochet 2 more rows, and now let me show you how to crochet the last row. So I started as before with 4 chains and 3 trebles. 1 treble worked into each one treble of the previous row. Next 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the next chain 7, space a single crochet. Now 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I don't make a cluster here. I simply work a treble into each one of the next 4 trebles. And that's it. It's just gonna be a row of chain spaces and not making a treble cluster.